Hello friends, Anand again. So after a long time, I thought to create one more React Native video. So in this time, I'm gonna work on the React Native calendars. So this is one of the components under Wix project. It's React Native calendars. So this is my React Native project over here. So this is like a simple food app. Um so if you click order food, goes to the map where you will see the current location. So that's one part. The other part is to post food. If you want to post some food, then over here you can choose some photo from your library, or you can take a photo from your camera, and then from there you can choose the photo. So let me choose some photo from the library. So I need to wait for some time because the iOS emulator is really slow. So please bear with me. And meanwhile, we will check this guy, the React Native calendars. So the React Native calendars is pretty simple. And then the star rate is really fine. It's 2,607 stars, which is really fine. So, and I checked their UI component is pretty decent. So I'm gonna use this React Native calendar to pick some date over here. Okay, back to our app. So let me choose from a library. So it should load the library. Take some time. So I didn't use any third-party library. So this part I just styled by myself. I don't know, something is going on. It's not loading. Let me refresh the screen. It's hanging. Sorry for that. It's interesting. Okay, now it's asking for access to your photo. That's interesting. Okay, that's fine. We don't want to waste our time. So let me click don't allow. It will take some time. As I said, the iOS emulator is really slow compared to the Android. Okay, so let's follow the steps then. The first step over here, we need to install this React Native calendar into our project. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to run the npm install command under this project. This is the project I'm using. And then we are saving into the package.json. So let's do this. And if we go back here, let me click don't allow. Yeah, that's fine now. Okay, so post food. So this is the food app page. This is the name and price. Price is kind of, let me choose the hardware keyboard, toggle software keyboard. So this will be the keyboard, like for example, to enter something over here. And then this is the ingredients. I can enter some name and then delivery fee, address to pick up. And then this is the delivery fee over here. So finally the availability. So for availability, actually I'm going to add this calendar. So let's try this. So it's automatically installed. So what I'm going to do, we need to include this calendar list, and Magenta from calendars, React Native calendars folder. So I'm going to copy this, and then under my project, so this is the, sorry, This is the project over here. So I'm going to paste it over here. Let me refresh one more time. Okay, no worries. So now what I have to do, I have to add this in the availability. So you can see the availability over here. So to use this calendar, what I have to do, I need to call this calendar. So let's copy this guy. Let's try to do what's gonna happen. So it's just a text input. So let me comment this as of now. And let me paste this calendar code. There are many steps over here, so don't worry as of now. So we'll go one by one. Okay. Raw text cannot be used outside of a text tag. That's interesting. Might be this part. Let me remove entirely. Let's see how it's gonna work. Cool, now it works fine. Here we go. So the availability. So this is really nice. So this is the availability. So the user can select some calendar date over here. But I think here we chose current as some date. So let me comment out or let me remove this because this is causing some issue, or the current is set to the 2012. I don't want to set to 2012. I want to set to the current date. So let me refresh the screen one more time. Here we go. So today is 2018, and these are the calendar. That's nice. Wow. So even let's say like on press, these are the selected day, on day long press, this is the month format, and this is the on month change when we change some months. This is like hide arrows. So you can see over here, uh, they have set to true. So let's set it to false and see what's gonna happen. We should see the arrow over here. Can't find variable arrow. That's interesting. So let me remove this instead of false. Might be it has some dependencies. So let me remove these two parameters. Here we go. So see over here. So it goes like this. So I think instead of like that, let me use like this so that we will see the exact month. See, now it looks fine. Even instead of like this, let me choose like this. So first month and then the year. Here we go. So May 2018, June, July, August, September, October. It goes like this. Nice, eh? Yeah, that's cool. Uh, so the min date should be what to say. The min date can be, we can set some stuff, max date, min date, all the stuff. So show week numbers equal to true, hide day numbers, first day equal to 1, and press left arrow, it's subtracting the months, and press right arrow, it's adding the month. So we have successfully put our very first calendar. So now the date marking. And then styling, right? So that's the main thing over here. So if you scroll down, even we can have some displaying date, loading indicator or something like that, or customizing look and feel, all those stuff. So they have specified some style over here and then the theme over here. So let's copy these two guys and let's see how it's gonna work. Monospace, interesting. Might be this one is not available. Uh, Interesting. So let me use my own styles. I used to have a font. It's Futura. So let me use the same font over here instead of monospace. Couldn't find what is monospace. Let me refresh. Post food. Oh, cool. See? It's nice, eh? So our calendar looks really, really nice over here. And then this is April, May, June, July, everything. Yeah, this looks better. So this is the availability. Um, and background color, they set something. Text selection, title color, they set something. So let me set to red color instead of blue. Nope, it's not working. And border color is gray, so let me choose black. So now you can see a solid border color. So let me use border color as 0. I don't need to have any border. So here we go. Something is so there is a bug, I think. Shows 1 2 3 4 5, but 18 is over here, 19 20 21, I don't know. I think these are the weeks, might be. Yeah, I think these are weeks, so I don't want to show the weeks. So see this, show week numbers, right? I don't need to show the week numbers. So now it should be fine. Here we go. So this is what, but I don't see any days. But anyway, we made our very first calendar, guys. So thanks for watching.